Creating an engaging company page. Hey there, friends! The next step is to create a company page that can represent your brand, company, or business on LinkedIn, and that you can use to distribute content on the platform. Company pages offer the same function of brand pages on social media sites like Facebook. They help you build a separate presence, to post company updates, to distribute industry-sensitive content, and to run advertising campaigns. With that in mind, we've designed this lesson to give you a clear guide on how to create your own company page from scratch, the right way. Getting started. Start on your LinkedIn account homepage. From there, click on the Work option in the top bar menu. Scroll to the bottom of this menu and then click on the Create a Company Page option. Creating the company page. Next up, you have to select the page type. The page types available include small business, medium to large business, showcase page, and educational institution. Here, you'll simply have to select the page type that best describes your business as it currently is. In general, it is best to select small business unless you run a large company with more than 200 employees. Now that you've selected the page type, it is time to personalize the company page. Let's start on the page identity section. First, enter the name of your business into the name field. Next, customize the company page URL in the LinkedIn public URL field. Now add your company's website URL into the website URL field. Alright, let's now move to the company details field. First, click on the industry menu button to select your niche. Now click on the company size menu button and select the number of employees or members in your company. Now click on the company type menu button and select your company type. Let's now move to the profile details section. Let's upload the company logo first. For this, click on the Choose File button. Locate your company logo in your files and double-click on it to upload it. Nice! Now you're going to add a brief description of your offers or products into the tagline field. Now take a moment to check the page preview section. This is a preview of the top card that users will see when they visit your company page. You're almost done now, so tick the checkbox in the agreement section and then click on the Create Page button. Customizing the company page. There are additional details that you can add on your page after you create it. Let's start by adding a cover image. For this, click on the Edit button in the cover image block. Then click on Upload Cover Image. Locate the cover image that you'll use on your page, double-click on it to upload it, and then click on Save. Awesome! Now click on the Edit button in the top card column. Here you are going to add additional details to your page. For instance, if you want to add a call to action button to your page, click on the Buttons tab. Now click on the Overview tab. First, add a description of your company into the description field. Next, enter your company website's URL into the website URL field if you haven't done so already. Then click on Save. If you'd like to add a physical address to your company page, click on the Locations tab, and then click on Add Location to add your address. Now you're going to add SEO optimization to your page. For this, click on the Hashtags tab. Now click on Add Hashtag, and type a hashtag into the hashtag field. You can add up to 3 hashtags. You can click on Save after you are done adding your hashtags. Linking your company page to your profile. That was an awesome job. Now that you are done creating your company page, it is time to link it to your profile. Start by clicking on the Profile menu button. Then click on View Profile. Now move to the Intro block and click on the Edit icon. Now click on Add Current Position. Next, enter your title into the title field. Now click on the Employment Type menu button and select your employment type. Now type the name of your company page into the company field. Then select it from the results. Next, enter the location of your company into the location field. Now select the date when you started doing business with your company in the Start Date field. If you want your position at your business to appear as your profile headline, make sure that Update My Headline is checked. Then enter a description of what you do in your business into the description field. Lastly, click on Save to finish. And that is it. Using content suggestions to find trending LinkedIn topics. Hey there everyone! You've just created a profile that is ready for business and an engaging company page to promote your stuff and generate leads. And you are ready to start building your presence and establishing authority. To do that, you have to create and share content that is relevant to the audience that you want to reach on LinkedIn. For this, you'll need to know what the topics are that this audience wants to talk about. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to use the Content Suggestions feature to find out what are the hottest, trendiest topics on the platform. Getting started. To access the Content Suggestions feature, go to your LinkedIn account homepage and click on the Profile menu button. Next, click on the name of your company page under the Manage section to go to your company page feed. Once there, click on the Content tab in the Tools menu. This will take you to the Content Suggestions page. Using Content Suggestions. The Content Suggestions feature is, as you can see here, a powerful research tool that helps you to easily discover trending topics and conversations from top users and contributors. Here you can hyper-target the type of content that you'd like to discover, and LinkedIn will provide you with the best, most engaging content and the size of the audience for it. What you are going to do first is to select an industry to find content in one or more specific niches. You can type the name of the industry that you want to research into the Add an Industry field, or you can select it from the available industry filters below. When you select an industry, the page will load a collection of trending topics and articles from the last 15 days. If you want to see content from other topics that are not on the list, simply click on Add a Topic to add your own topic and load it into the results. Let's take a look at the Articles column. Here, you're going to find the latest articles for all the topics in the list. More importantly, you are going to see the engagement rate for each article right in the article card and the topics that it is related to. You can also narrow down your results to show you only articles in specific topics from the list. For this, simply click on a topic on the list to select it. This will load only articles related to that topic. Again, what is important for you to take note about is the engagement rate, the related topics, and the keywords in the article card. If you want to repurpose content from an article, you can simply click on the redirect link in the article card to read the content piece. You can also add more filters to your search, in case you want to find content for a very specific segment of your audience. Let's take a look at these filters. The first is the location filter. This filter allows you to select one or more locations to filter your results. By selecting locations as filters, you will only see articles that are popular in your selected locations. On the other hand, the job function and seniority filters will allow you to select filters to see articles targeted at specific departments and profiles. Please note that these filters, with the exception of location filters, are very narrow and very specific, and won't be of much use in the majority of cases. Another important piece of information that you have to take note of is the audience size. Here you'll find the number of users following and engaging with this content. This would give you an idea of the average number of people that you can reach by optimizing content using information from this page. And now that you have found relevant information to compose your content, you are ready to create your first post, and then an original article. Bonus strategy. You can use the Content Suggestions page to find content to curate daily. For this, you simply have to search content like we just showed you, find a relevant article, and to click on the Share button. Creating effective LinkedIn marketing posts. Hey there, friends! You have just finished creating, personalizing, and optimizing your LinkedIn marketing channels. and you'll learn to use the perfect way to discover the best performing content for the platform. And now it is time to create and publish your first content piece. There are 2 ways to post content to LinkedIn, and in this lesson, we're going to focus on LinkedIn posts. With LinkedIn posts, you can publish bite-sized advice, curated content, and native content with rich media. Are you ready to learn how to properly create LinkedIn posts that reach people and get results? Yes? Then let's do this. Getting started. Start on the LinkedIn homepage. There you'll find the newsfeed, and on top of the newsfeed, the post editor. To start creating a post, you simply have to click on Start a Post. Creating a LinkedIn marketing post. This will open the post editor, which you can use to create your marketing posts. Now, a truly effective marketing post is built by a series of elements that, put together, maximize your reach and engagement. Let's start by composing the post in the text field. The first element of an effective LinkedIn marketing post is an actionable phrase to open your post. It can work as a headline, and you have to use a phrase or question that makes a user stop and read. In general, opening your post with a question related to a pain point or topic works best. The second element is a summary. You are going to compose a brief summary below the headline. This is a brief description of the content you'll be using as backup for your post. The content is the third element of an effective marketing post. Let's elaborate first. In general, it is better to use backup content, such as a link to an external article, a branded video, an image, or an infographic, instead of long, plain text copy. This is because it is best to expand plain text copy into native content for an article. For this example, we're going to use an article on our website as backup content for this post. There are 3 marketing objectives we'll be achieving this way. First, we'll be driving targeted and highly relevant traffic to our site. Second, we are creating a legitimate backlink. And third, we will be promoting our site to a new audience. Okay, so what we'll do now is to paste the article URL into the text field, right below the headline and summary. Please note that when you insert a link into a post, LinkedIn will generate a link preview that includes the feature image from the article page. This way, you'll be using 2 different types of backup content. Of course, if you want to use a different type of backup content such as a video or image, you'll simply have to click on the video or image icons below the text field so you can upload your media. And now that the post is fully composed, it is time to add the 4th element, the hashtags. For this, you simply have to click on the Add Hashtag button. LinkedIn will suggest hashtags according to the content that you added to your post. To add a suggested hashtag, you'll simply have to click on it. Our recommendation is that you add up to 3 hashtags. Publishing a post the right way. And now that you have fully created your post, it is time to publish it. For this, you'll simply have to click on the Post button. And that's it! Would you like to learn a way to maximize the reach and engagement of your LinkedIn marketing post at a very affordable cost? Then tune in to our next lesson to find out.